Triple Hills Ranch, 394 acres, is divided into 17 pastures with permanent and hot wire fencing. The central controls for the hot wire is at the headquarters, so controlling them is just a matter of flipping a switch. This allows for maximum efficient utilization of the forage and water supply. The stocking rate is 150 pair, 12 months out of the year. The forage consists of a really good mix of Bermuda grass, Korean Lespedeza, some fescue, and native grasses. The owners have sprayed the pasture annually. A covered working chute with electric and water allows for all-weather livestock handling. From the working area, cattle can be sorted into 6 different paddocks. The pastures all have stocked ponds available for water. Some of the pastures share a pond. The ponds are also stocked with fish. The home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split level that has been nicely updated with granite countertops, tile and wood flooring, central heat and air with a wood stove backup. The master suite features a 3-quarter bath. The home also features a den, office, and large attached storm shelter. The back patio provides a nice outdoor living area for cookouts or just relaxing. This ranch is also picturesque, with the terrain varying from flat pastures over much of the ranch and then elevated triple hills in the south-central area. From these hills you can see for many miles, including gorgeous views of Eufaula Lake. For additional information or to schedule a tour, call today.